guys, so next thing we want to do is we want to show you all how to install the battery. So it's going to come in a separate box. The screwdriver will come in one, and the box with the battery will come in a second one, okay? So you got a Velcro strip on each corner of the, one of the battery, and you got one up in the front, okay? There's Velcro also already placed inside the deck, all right? So when you put the battery in, it's gonna automatically Velcro, all right? And you're gonna just take the key, and you're gonna make sure the deck lid is unlocked, okay? And then you're gonna pull back, all right? As you're gonna make sure you got the cable out of the way. The best thing to do is make sure this is almost right on this front cover, right? And you're gonna lay it right on, just on top. You're not gonna go sideways, go right on top and drop it. Just like that, okay? Okay, so once you get the battery in, okay, it's one simple cable, guys. It's got a gate on it, okay? You're gonna pull the gate back and you wanna make sure you line it up properly, all right? And you're just gonna lay it straight down in it. It goes right in, and you're in. You're gonna notice that there's a QR code right here. This is the app that controls the BMS, the smart BMS, okay? So you're going to want to download this app and get it ready, and we're going to show you in another video exactly how to do this.